I'm Lance Correa with Coldwell Banker West, the Correa Group. Welcome to my newest listing in Bay Park. This is new construction, brand new. If you're looking for big, new, this is it. 4-bedroom, 4-bath in the main house. We also have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath ADU attached. All new construction, come check it out. So something different about this listing, if you like to entertain and you don't want a big mess, we got the hidden pantry. Check it out. I'm Lance Correa. If this is the home you want, my information is attached. Give me a call.